taken to the treasury.
Gavana ma county ma Machakos Wavinya Ndeti okwayo joket mwandu mondo keti ohangi e county no kojiwogi ni serikal mar county no chako chenro mar bero lwasi matimo hala. Kano lose karomo ma Machakos International Convention Center bang' romo gi joket mwandu e romo mano yuoria gi jatend migawo mar ohala Rebecca Miano, Wavinya Ndeti nosingo ni serikal mar county no ochako chenro mabiro kelo dongruok ne kembe go. Jalup gavana ma Machakos Francis Mwangangi bende nokwayo joket mwandu go mondo gindiki jodak e alwora no e kembe gi mondo mi giduok piny kwan joma onge tije e alwora no.
Is strategically located with major transport infrastructure, including the standard gauge railway, the meter gauge railway, and the Nairobi Expressway, as well as Nairobi-Mombasa Highway and the Nairobi-Namanga Highway, all connecting county to Nairobi City and the metropolitan area. The proximity to other major infrastructures, especially the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, the industrial and business parks in Athi River, Sabaki, and Syokimau, Machakos makes the ideal hub and destination for industrial investment in the country. The presence of key flagship projects, including the export processing zone in Athi River and the key leather park in Kinanye, Athi River, as well as Konza Technopolis in Konza, establish the county as the preferred hub for industrial investment and innovation.